Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about how does marriage life impact when Saturn and Moon are in conjunction and is placed in your 11th house. So what happens if at all Saturn and Moon conjunction is placed in your 11th house of your birth chart? So why is the question says about marriage life impact? Because there is certain relationship between the 7th house and the 11th house. Because if at all you have 7th house lord is placed in the 11th house, this gives an indication that you might get a financial stability after getting your marriage. That means through your spouse, through the entry of your spouse, or maybe your spouse also would be working. She might add some money for your what you say, for your upliftment or whatsoever, right? Your wife will be acting as a great support model for you. So what happens if at all Saturn and Moon conjunction is placed in the 11th house? What is 11th house? 11th house talks about gains, 11th house talks about elder siblings, 11th house talks about your friends, 11th house talks about happy news, and 11th house talks about ornaments, okay? 11th house talks about fulfillment of desires, and 11th house represents wealth and profit through commerce, and 11th house represents honors, okay? 11th house also talks about your achievements. 11th house talks about hopes and wishes, okay? So all these things represents your 11th house. So what happens if at all Saturn and Moon conjunction happen to be in the 11th house? Saturn is the planet of hard work. Saturn is the planet of determination, commitment. Saturn represents paternal grandfather. Saturn represents hard work. Saturn represents effort, okay? Saturn represents trust, the trust that you generate among with the people. It is governed by planet Saturn. And whereas Moon represents your mind, Moon is the Karaka for your mind. Moon represents your thought process. On the negative side, Moon represents blames, misunderstandings, conflicts, quarrels, challenges, obstacles. All this is Moon. And Moon is the Karaka for your mindset, the way you perceive others, the way you understand your own self from your mindset point of view, right? All these things is governed by planet Moon. And Moon is the Karaka for liquid business as well, maybe water, hotel industry, fluid industry, oil industry. For all this, Moon is the Karaka. Alright, if these two planets get conjunct and is placed in the 11th house, what exactly happens? I already told you what is 11th house. Generally, these two planets are malefic in nature. They doesn't go well with each other. So what happens is, ideally in the 11th house, this person mindset is very confused in nature. In terms of taking a decisions, he will be procrastinating, he will be making a plans, but he will not be implementing those stuff. And he will be doing a lot of overthinking as well. These people think a lot, and at the same time they spend a lot of money like a water. They spend money like a water, right? And ideally Saturn plus Moon conjunction represents transfers, changes, and also Saturn plus Moon conjunction in the 11th house represents sudden changes in the life. There will be sudden changes in the life. And Saturn and Moon conjunction also represents that you will be undergoing emotional stress because of your friends, when you are dealing with your friends. Because 11th house talks about your friends. And 11th house talks about your elder siblings as well. If at all this combination happen to be in your 11th house, then you will not be having great relationship with your elder brother or elder sister. Sometimes you might even doesn't have a good talking terms with your elder sister. It happens if at all you have Saturn and Moon conjunction, and if at all along with Saturn, if at all you have Ketu and Rahu is aspecting into a Saturn Moon conjunction, and that creates a lot of turmoil among yourself in terms of dealing with your siblings as well as with your friends. Why? Because Rahu and Ketu creates a confusion, and along with that Saturn also joins along with Moon. If at all, I'm giving an example in terms of having this combination, this creates a lot of emotional stress, and you'll be very sensitive in terms of dealing with the people. You will get hurted very quickly, okay? All these things has to be taken care, and at the same time you have to do a lot. You have to do some meditation so that you can calm your mind, so that you can able to reduce that malefic impact of Moon on your life. And at the same time, if you do a lot of spiritual practices, maybe going to some pilgrimage or visiting some holy places or doing some charity. Saturn loves doing charity. If you do charity, the effect of the negativity of Saturn is reduced a lot, right? So you have to do some charity. If you can visit some orphanages, you can go to some ashrams where in which you can able to serve the needy people. and that way you can able to reduce your karmic debt, and at the same time you can able to attract the abundance and prosperity in your life. All right, so that is the best remedy I'd like to give for Saturn plus Moon conjunction in the 11th house, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my short analysis pertaining to this video, and please let me know in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video, so that I know that you're following my videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. Alright, and I'll see you in the consultation. Bye for now.